How to transfer from BDO to PayPal. Now this process and step is very straightforward and very easy thing to do. So you have two options. You can go ahead and do this process via your BDO online application or via this online banking website that I'm showing you right now. So if you're currently doing this from your laptop or PC, just head directly to bdo.com's official site and make sure that you logged into your account, either a personal or a business. So the other thing that you can do is just take note of the account number that you have from your PayPal. It's very easy. All you have to do is just go to send or transfer to another bank and just fill out those forms like the first name indicated from your PayPal and as well as your PayPal's account number and the email address associated with your PayPal account. And by there, BDO will provide you specific fees for you to be able to pay first so that you can get the transfer over through. And that's it. That's how easy and very basic you can go ahead and transfer from BDO to PayPal.